Windows Phone 7 is a very exciting platform for us. For me personally, it's exciting because it's using Silverlight as one of the development technologies for actually getting applications onto Windows Phone 7, and it natively supports our adaptive streaming technology. So there's some pretty innovative applications that have been created. One of my favorites is an enhanced movie application that you can download from the Windows Phone Marketplace. It's a $9.95 download, and it's the School of Rock movie. And it's not just the movie, and that's kind of the unique feature. It's not just the movie stream that you might pay to own. It is the movie with lots of additional functionality. So there's a quiz that's built into the movie, the Seen It quiz, that enables you to actually watch the movie and interact with it as you're watching it in the form of a quiz. You also have the ability to jump to specific chapters, but very interesting from a social networking standpoint is the ability for a viewer to create a clip, their favorite clip from the movie, and then send that clip to a friend. Or save it for watching later. And initially you might think, well, if you're enabling people to send a clip to a friend, what does that mean for piracy? Well, it turns out that it's actually a good way from a viral standpoint of sharing content and making other people want to go off and watch that movie. So it's actually great for the content owner. And of course all of that's within the control of the content owner. If they don't want to enable people to share content, then that's fine, they don't need to do that. But it's an interesting way of upselling and potentially cross-selling content to a whole new audience that they may not have reached before.
On Windows Phone 7, I'm sure there's a lot of content creators who want to get their content up there. What's involved with that?
Well, there's a number of ways of doing it. I mean, one way is just delivering the content as a progressive download, as you might normally. So just providing a progressive download feed and streaming it to the phone, which is traditionally how people have reached devices. So YouTube might be one example of doing something like that. But then you can also go off and build a Silverlight application for the Windows Phone that would consume the content that you stream to the phone, and that would enable you to do lots of different things. So perhaps add different functionality to that content.